All right, folks, this will be a discussion of SQL database in Azure Cloud. There are two ways of setting up SQL databases as a database as service. The first one is individual SQL databases. Now, we will be talking about here is the Elastic database pool. Now, with Elastic database pool, the subscriber pays for a fixed amount of performance. We call it a pool. Within this given pool, well, we need to create a new server just as we always do. All right, so this provision the server that will host our Elastic database pool. We choose a pricing tier, and they're charged by the hours. As well as the eDTU we would like to provision. Notice we can adjust by the overall eDTU and the pool's gigabyte storage. These are database storage, and the other one is performance level. So there are 4 scales that you can go on to that affects the billing. Now this creates a database Elastic pool. We can then proceed to provision databases to run within this pool. Now after a few minutes, the DB pool is now provisioned. We can look at all resources and head over to DB pool under the overview. You can look at the pool's utilization as well as configure pool. We can add capacity as we need them if there's demand to increase the performance. You can make changes right here. Now we can add SQL Server to the pool. So currently we don't have any databases. If there were databases, we could then add this database to the pool. Now we'll go ahead and configure a new database. A blank database is fine, and we'll be using a basic tier. We'll create another database and put them all in the same pool. I'll be navigating back to the DB pool. Go to configure pool. We'll be adding these 2 databases to this Elastic pool. Now Azure constantly monitors the usage of your database Elastic pool, and recommendation will be provided to increase the capacity if it analyzes the past usage and find it necessary to increase the performance to accommodate all the requests. There's also another link to create an Elastic pool job, which allow you to run the T-SQL script against all the databases that has been added to this pool. That concludes our database Elastic pool demonstration.